Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something new and super useful on WhatsApp Web, how to start shared media directly from your PC after the latest update. This feature makes it so much easier to mark your favorite photos, videos, and files, so you can find them later without endless scrolling. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page in your browser and linking it with your mobile app if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your chats on the left, just like on your phone, but now with a few new icons that make everything smoother to manage. Next, head over to the media icon on the left side menu. It looks like a little gallery symbol and gives you quick access to all the photos, videos, and documents that have been shared in your chats. Now, click on Media to open your full collection. Here, you can browse through everything that's been shared recently, from memorable images to work files you might need again later. Once you're looking at your media, you'll notice a select icon at the top of the window. Click on that. This new selection mode lets you pick multiple items at once, which is perfect for when you want to organize or highlight several things quickly. Now go ahead and select all the media you want to store. You can click on each item individually and they'll be marked as selected. After you've chosen your favorites, look for the star icon at the top of the screen and give it a click. And that's it. All those items are now starred, making them easy to find later. Just head back to your start section anytime to see them neatly organized and ready to view. This simple new update saves a lot of time and brings WhatsApp Web even closer to the convenience we're used to on mobile. Try it out today and keep your favorite memories and important media just one click away.